Good evening everyone, myself Harish Kumar, and in this demonstration we will be seeing the system calls, how they are created, how in background they are working, and how we are actually monitor them and see in our system is happening, how the different components work together by using simple. So first of all, in Linux we have terminal, but since I'm using Windows, I have a software called procmon, which is used to monitor the system calls and the process states, which you can see there are a bunch of different states and the process as well as any other thing. So I will be demonstrating with the help of a media player by using a song. So I will be starting that. So I will be starting with it. So first of all, let me clear this and stop this process. So I have cleared all the things. There's nothing in my panel right now. Now I will be going to the media player. Suppose I am going here and I will be playing a song. So I have started playing a song. Now we will go to the procmon. Now I will be start this procmon. First of all this, and now you can see at the first we get the Microsoft Media Player. We get Microsoft Media Player which has access of read file, meaning that our music file is getting read by our system. Now the runtime broker, you can say, is responsible for. Wait a second, just okay. So I have switched off the media player. So let's see our proc moves, and let me tell you one by one what is happening in our system. So as you can see, there are first of all Microsoft Media Player, which is responsible for playing our file. So it is getting a system called read file. It is reading our file which is present in our RAM, So it is reading the file and our music file. Now the runtime broker is responsible for running this media player. Now the thing which you are really more concerning about is this thread instead of any system call like create or something. Now because there might be different components, because in Windows there are multiple inbuilt things, like the application is not directly connecting with the drivers of the audio system. You have audio hardware. So for that, the multiple things are involved in this in runtime broker as well, which are relating to it and resulting to that state. That's where there are, and you can see there are a bunch of different calls. Not only there are a bunch of calls. First of all, there is a read file. You can see there is a thread exit, then there is thread exit, then the file is again continuing reading, then there is thread, then we can see a bunch of different calls, queries, and as well as to find there are multiple different calls, not a single one. Then you can see there is a thread, another creation, Microsoft Media Player. Then again the file is getting read, then there are other processes are keep coming up. And at the file you can see that in this runtime broker, you can see that the file that the system call like create file, close file, create file mapping, and many other file which we have already seen on our OS lecture, like read, write, create file. All this system calls are getting called. There are also a bunch of different system calls which are not primarily in our server but are the part of. You can also see there are many query calls as well as the another many file after the I have closed the media player. So as you can see there are a bunch of calls. If we get to one and every call, there are a bunch of calls, like there are more than I could count. This much system calls get called. Even you can see that I have not run even full song. I have just only run the song for 33 seconds. I have only run the song for 33 seconds. On this much system calls have happened. This much interaction has been occurred between the drivers of my audio system as well as the machine components. You can see the main three things which are responsible for running our file is this runtime broker, and I will be showing you, and the media player. Now there is one more file which is the audio.exe, which is responsible for the media output, the sound we are hearing. Wait a second, I think it will be very low. So it looks like I won't be able to show you the audio.exe file because I think there are a bunch of, let me see, could I get here, there is audio.exe. Could I get this file? No, let me cancel it. As you can see I cannot, but I can show you a task manager if you can see. So you can see if I was playing, since there is nothing playing, I can show you a task manager what is happening. Now if I go to process and cancel it,